guys, it's me, Emily and Evelyn, and we got the Shopkins So Cool Fridge. We've been wanting it so long for our birthdays, but it was out of stock. So I'm going to show you the back and the sides of it. So here's the side, and here's the back. It has a lot of different season 2 Shopkins and season 1. And here's the other side. Let's open it. So we finally got the So Cool Fridge out of the packaging. And it looks really cool. Here's the front. Here's the back of it too. It has a blue. And there's a sticker. So it comes with 2 sticker sheets so I can decorate it. It comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins. It comes with soda and strawberries and cream. It comes with 1 yellow cup for the icy dispenser here and 2 purple bags. Let me show you how it works. So the cup, and you open up here, this little place. You take a Shopkin, you put it here inside. You close the door, and this blue thing, you put the cup on the blue thing, and then the Shopkin comes out, and you have your Shopkin drink. Now I'm going to open up the whole fridge and show you what is inside. So this is the inside. These eggs can come out. There's 6 of them. They roll around. Yeah, they're really rolly, so don't lose them. They're a little squishy. And they all have different expressions on their face. They're all yellow. The shelves you could adjust and move them to different levels. So the drawers can open. And this little thing too can open. And you could put your Shopkins in it. Everyone could just close them all up. So let's see, I need to lose. So this little part of it. And now I'm going to show you how you could decorate the fridge. Yes. So these sticker sheets here, you could put on the fridge. Like this. And they're blue egg. So you could take off the stickers, put them there wherever you want them to go. Wherever you want. And these little ones you could put on the top of the picture for little magnets. And you can keep on doing them. So there's some Shopkins and there's a list. This So Cool Fridge is so much fun. We're going to be playing with it so much, and we hope you like it as much as we do. Please subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye. I got Enderman. I already got him from our last Palooza. He's all black and he's holding a grass ball.